Alright guys, so today's video is about adding your team member into the sub account from agency level. So for that you need to be on the agency level account because this account is a sub account. So you can see we don't have any option to go into agency level. So when you're watching this video and you're having this issue that you cannot see any agency level option here, it means you're logging from the wrong account. So we need to change the account first. Let me change the account and show you how it's going to. Alright, so now we have logged in as an agency level. It looks same exactly like sub account, but it has a lot of options which are not in the sub account because it is an agency level. So how you can also check that when you click on here, you'll see, and if we go back into a sub account like we were before, but it was a different user. So now we are in the same sub account through agency level. And when you click on this drop down, you will see switch to agency level here. So this means that you're an agency level account right now. And what you need to do, go back to agency level to add your team member into a specific sub account. Sometimes what people do, they go into individual sub account and add as a user their team member. That is a really hassle, and like you need to add them again and again in the same doing the same process in each sub account. If you have more than 100 sub accounts that you need to do, it will be a headache for you. So this is our client sub account. And what we need to do here, this is our client agency account. And what we need to do here, we need to add a team member here. So we'll go into a team, and here we already have a team added here from the client. But if you want to add any of the team member, you can just click on add user, and it is the same process as adding a user in the sub account. Just create a user here. It's for a new user. So you're adding a new team member. But if you already have a team member in your account, what you need to do, just simply go into the edit section, your team member, click on the edit icon here, and then once you're in the edit section, go to roles and permission. In here you can see option. In here you can see the option which you cannot see in the sub account where when you create a user, because this option is only for agency level. And now here you can see all the sub accounts they have in their agency level, and you can click here and you'll see all the sub accounts here. We can add a user into all the sub accounts directly from here and hit save, and it will give them access to all the accounts they have in their agency level. And we can also remove the accounts if we don't want to give them access. We can just remove the accounts from here and click yes. So this is an easy process. In future, if you have more clients and more sub accounts in your agency level, you can just simply, once you create the sub account, you can just simply comes into your team member area here in the agency level, and then just add all the sub accounts here you want them to be in, and then hit save. So this is a really easy process to add your team member into any sub account from your agency level. I hope this video helps you to understand this process, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.